How to enroll to Wells Fargo Bank's online banking services. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enroll to Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account and services. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar simply type in wellsfargo.com. Now you'll be taken to this page where in order to enroll to Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account and services, first of all you'll have to tap on the option enroll, which is right over here. Now you'll be redirected to this page where in order to enroll, first of all, you'll have to enter your social security number. Now, if you have your social security number, you can simply enter that. But if you don't, simply tap on the option I don't have this number. And then it will say that if you don't have an SSN or ITIN, you must enter your ATM/debit card number to continue. So simply enter any one of these four over here. And once you've done that, enter your date of birth, or you can simply enter your card, loan, or account number. And once you tap on the option continue and then follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully enrolled to Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account and services. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.